Hello, good afternoon, or good evening, I should say. Good evening. This is JD, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to unbox what they call it. I'm going to unbox a parcel that I received today. Look, I've got a parcel that I just received today. This is free from my what do you call this one, mobile provider, because I've been with this provider for 12 years. I think since 2008, when I arrived. I've been with them for 10 years, and I've got a gift from them. Look, they sent me a gift being a loyal customer to them. And I think because they keep on asking me if I want to upgrade a new phone, because as you know, I'm not keen in upgrading mobile phone. At the moment, I've got my iPhone 6, which is, I've got it since 2015. So over 5 years now. And I finished pay the contract since 2017. So it's over 3 years I have not upgraded my phone. So they offer me, and they give me a freebies. Woo! A new freebies, which is the latest iPhone SE 2020. Alright? So I've got new iPhone SE 2020. This is a free from my mobile provider, which is O2. So if you are what do you call this, if you are been with your provider, or maybe you can ask them if they can give you some freebies, or they can offer you, most especially to those Filipino out there that's very keen in upgrading, or very keen in getting new, or if they want to upgrade their new mobile phone. But for me, I 100% guarantee this is a free, because I've been loyal to them for 12 years. I've been loyal to O2. So let's see what's inside, okay? Look, this one. Okay. I'm gonna open it now. So that let's see what's inside. Okay? Alright, by the way, I am in my study room. So as you can see, this is my study room. It's not that big. I've got some pictures in there. Before I unbox, this is my picture when I finished my nursing program last year. That's for my citizenship picture. And I've got visitors with me. Look. I've got my princess with me. Come, princess, what do you say to them? Hello, everyone. Come on, say it. Say hi, hi, hello. Come on. All right. She's not happy. She always give me a company. Okay. Back to business. All right. I'm gonna unbox this now. As you know, I did. All right. I will try to open it. Stay with me. I'm trying to open. All right. I'm trying to open. Oh. Okay. Here it is. This is what I've got on the phone. It's free from O2, being a loyal customer to them. So this is iPhone. What? iPhone SE 2020. And it comes into 128 gigabyte. Okay? I didn't pay anything for upfront at all. I think they give me the biggest, the lowest tariff I can get. And can guarantee you, this is free. Okay? Alright, let's open the package. Okay. I'll try to open now. Let's unbox what's inside. Okay? Unboxing. Oh, I've got my exercise machine in there, guys. So, what? Let's unbox this one. Ooh. See. Alright. Open it. This iPhone SE 2020 model, it comes into 3 colors. Either you want it red, black, or white. And I decided to get white color. Okay, this is white color, so let's open it. Okay. Ooh. See? This one. Wow. Look at that. Look what I've got. Okay? See? So what happened to, you're asking what happened to my, what's gonna happen to my old phone? Ano nang mangyayari sa luma kong phone? Of course, I think I need to send it to my sister in the Philippines, or else I'm gonna sell it. But the price for iPhone 6 now is really cheap. You can buy it 30, oh no, not really been 30. You can buy it 20 to 50 pounds in the shop, second hand, if you want to buy new iPhone 6. And let's see. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So what's inside of this is still the same. This is white color. This is the back, but at the front it's black. Okay, it's black color at the front, but its back is white. It's a same size with iPhone 6, which is 4.7. I think. I'm very, very happy. Kasi I've got free iPhone. It's not the brand new, it's not the latest gadget, which is iPhone 11 Pro. And what else I've got? Oh, this one comes with a charger. Meron siya pong charger. Merong headset. What else? Ano pang makikita natin? What we can see? Charger, headset. This one is the charger. And the headset. I mean, sorry. Sorry, this is a headset. Okay. To those who's asking, how did I manage to get this iPhone, new iPhone? It's free because they've been offering me to upgrade, but I said no. I keep on saying no because I've got car insurance to pay, I've got mortgage to pay. So I said no, I don't want to pay extra 50 to 60 pounds just to get a new phone. Kaya, what did the company offer to me? Sorry. What did the company offer to me? They send me and they give me a new iPhone. Don't ask me how much I paid. It's free. The only thing I need to pay is my monthly tariff, which is, I won't say anything. It's cheap. Alright. 15 pounds monthly. Okay? For 15 pounds monthly. And I've got 128 gigabyte with 60 gigabyte of internet. Alright, let's try to open it. Let's see. I think I need to charge it first, but I'll see to open it. If not, I'm gonna... Oh, it's open. Look. It's open na, guys. And on my next blog, I think I need to compare between iPhone 6 and iPhone SE 2020, or you can see, or you can Google the latest link. What's the difference between this one and the other Apple mobile phone? Okay? Oh, it's Chinese, so I need to change that into English. Okay? Hello, yes. Okay. Hola. See? Oh, on the other side. Ciao. Italy. Shishe. Sorry, no kapung ka. Alright, press home. Alright. I won't say anything. I won't show it to you because I'm still opening it. See, guys? If you are loyal to your mobile provider, guaranteed you will get... It's not the latest phone. Hindi siya latest. Not the latest phone they've got. But it's a latest iPhone SE. So, what did I say? I'm very happy because I've got it. They deliver it today. Oh my God. If you get this one, if you get it with them, it depends on how many gigabyte. It depends on how many gigabyte, how the internet, the gigabyte of the phone. I think maximum if you get £54 monthly or £55 monthly, which is cheaper, which I've got £15 monthly. See? Bargain. I've got bargain. Alright? Very bargain price. Kaya, to all the people out there, if you want, you need to ring your mobile company so that ask them what they can offer to you, if most especially if you have not upgraded your phone for ages. Alright? Sorry guys, I just came back from work. Alright? And I will, next time on my next blog, I will show it to you how does this new iPhone SE 2020 works, okay? I just come back from work. I should have a shower first before, but because I'm very, very happy to open my parcel for today, I just want to see how's this new phone, okay? Alright then. I just want to say thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell to subscribe. I'm not asking you, or else just keep on watching. Alright, this is my first, I think this is my first blog, so I'll see you then. Bye-bye.